What, you're expecting something? Oh. We're just hanging out with Papa and Mama Panda and Baby Bear for some odd reason. 'Cause, yeah. Anyways, we got fossils to give to Blathers. 'Cause, yeah, why not? Hey, you. Oh, was I sleeping again? Oh. Well, hello, Zodiac Group. Welcome to the Phoenix Tech Museum. I'm Abius Habas. We would like you to assess these fossils. Oh, what would you like to assess? I'm a flutter. Forward then, man. Here you go. Well, what I say, let's take a closer look, shall we? Hooray! I found something that is not part of our esteemed collection. It is a magnificent idea. Indeed. Where did I get idea from? I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm an owl. I'm weird. You have a talent for finding the finest of fossils. Now, I do hope you'll consider donating what you found. The cultural development of Phoenix State is worthy endeavor indeed. And every time I should return this to you, but think of what you said to the museum awaits. Yes. So anything else I can help you with? Make donation. Marvelous. What would you like to donate? Oh, 2 of them. I got a Triceratop torso, a Parasaur tail, a T-Rex tail, and a Dinosaur track. Ooh. Here you go. Whoa, several things I see. Let's take a look. Splendid. We should take these off your heads. Now I pulled out how to have the rest from here. So anything else I can help you with? Nah, we good, man. Okay, in that case, feel free to wander as you like. I will await art donations with anticipation. When are you gonna give me art? I want art. Give me art. I want art now. You calm down, fool. I got it, man. What you want? What you want? What you want? Ooh. Send gratitude with flowers. How do we do that? Do we give somebody a flower? Like, what the heck? Well, I guess we'll be watering today. Catch 5 bugs and catch a fish. Catch a carp. We caught like 5 carps while you guys went around. Like, oh my goodness. And here's a turtle. See, I knew these turtles were around at nighttime. They only come around in April? What the heck? Oh my goodness. Well, I guess we'll be fishing tonight. If we ever decide to make a recording tonight, sure. I guess we'll be fishing for snapping turtles tonight. Yeah, because we want to keep one as a pet, and we want to give one to Blathers. Because that'll be fun, right, man? Yes. Hi, Gladys. Well, I guess we're going to be tending some stuff. We're going to be tending to flowers, but let's go sell this stuff that doesn't need to be in our inventory. Let's see, we got that. We got that. This, that, that. We'll keep that, and that. There you go. Woo! Let's go do something else. Hi, Snap Turtle. This one's our pet. You can't say otherwise. If you guys have a name, name him or her. It doesn't matter which gender it is. It could be a girl or a boy. But this snapping turtle is now our pet. It's your pet, and it's our pet together. Yes. Also, we have 2 videos which we want to show you guys. They're very short, but blech, because apparently we don't know how to make proper videos, but it's fine. It's fine. Give me that my water can. I want my water can back. We got 3 of them. You want the pink, the purple, the silver. Get the silver one. Well, time to go tend the flowers. Because we gotta do that. We gotta spend time with our flowers. Because we made that flower garden to make it look pretty. Also, we'll water these. These flowers get love as well. Share the love of flowers. There you go. Oh, look at our pretty flower garden. Hey, Wanda. Hey. Who put 2 extras here? Was it one of you guys? What the heck? No, it's supposed to be a walkway, not a friggin' flowerway. Sonic, someone ruined our friggin' walkway. I see. What's that? Sell them some shells. Oh yeah, we gotta collect some shells. And we gotta fight a carp apparently. We gotta hit rocks today. Catch some bugs. So send gratitude with flowers, which I have no idea how to do that, but that's fine. That's fine. What's the worst that could happen? Hey, how you doing? Did we catch you before? That one looks new. Oh yeah, it's new. Oh yes. I got a Raja Brook Birdwing. Nothing else I'd Raja be doing. That's a terrible joke. It's rather not Raja. The heck? We already picked up all the seashells. And we sold the seashells from our beaches. Well, I guess that's gonna have to wait for a while now, isn't it? Yep, that's gonna have to wait. Anyways, back to this. Oh yeah, the thing. Hold on. What's it up? Sorry. And that's the sound you get when you play. And that's the sound you play when you lose your turtle. Yes. Cause yes. I don't know why we're doing this, but we did this in the other video we made, and cause yes. Gotta love the pandas, man. Gotta love them pandas. Dang it, Sarah! What the heck we told you if we can get in the shot? Get out of here. Okay, we're done being silly. What are we gonna do? Well, not that. We'll give that to Blathers, I guess. We have this cooler here for some odd reason. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We might do something with it. We might put that on either this beach or the other beach. I have an idea. Will you get out of here? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that there. And, we're gonna go get our wood. Yes, Snapping Turtle, we know. We're gonna have a good day. When the Snapping Turtle is facing you guys, you know it's gonna be a good day. Yeah, we're gonna have to sell some of this stuff, cause, yeah, this stuff's gonna have to go. It's either that one or the other one. I don't remember. Neither do I. Get out of here. You're obscuring the way. Sonic has idea. We can make a decor dock. If we wanted to. I'll think about it. Don't we have like a... I might make this. I'm not sure yet. And I might make this. Maybe. But all I know is that we'll make this. Put that right there, so because yes. Get that log bench. Put it right next to the palm tree. I know, Snapping Turtle. Yes, we have ideas. Whenever you want to take a rest under the palm tree, there you go. Because, yes. Yes. Hi, Hazel. You got a lollipop? That's good. I might move this to the other beach. And yeah, we bought this skirt. Because why not? And yeah, I might clean up this beach. I think I might do that. Come on, Carboxymi. We're moving. That skirt can stay there for now. Love, Sahara, please and thank you. You want a sad castle? She doesn't look impressed. I hear another present flying by, man. I hear one too. Give me the picnic basket. Not that direction, this direction. Cause yes. And Carboxymi can go right there. Give me that. I see a present. Let's go get that present. I missed. I got it. Yes. Yay, we're spicing up this beach. What we get? We got a bold aloha shirt.
Oh, would you look at that? That's nice.
Sonic, you just played the tune where you lost your turtle. What are you talking about? The turtle's at our house. Charge! Ah, yes. I want my raincoat, thank you, though. We'll keep the shirt. Hey, Hazel, we're gonna keep the shirt. That was beautiful. She took a picture of the sandcastle. And then she sat down just to eat her lollipop. How you doing, Hazel?
What's up, Uni Wow?
Lay it on me. Lay it on me. What you gotta say?
You ever stand on the beach, look out at the other islands, and wonder what's life like there, Uni Wow?
I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah, what's up, Uni Wow?
Let's chat.
I saw there's someone over there at the campsite. You met them, right? Where do you think they're from? Who do you think their favorite band is? Or their favorite flower? I mean, I can ask them myself, but I'm feeling kind of lazy. I feel like looking at the sandcastle all day, and I want to lick my lollipop, because it tastes like candy. Kind of lazy, and they're all the way over there.
Are you a sports type and yet you have a laziness? And what's with all the pictures of the sandcastle? You just took one. You're crazy. If you want to see other islands, we'll show you. Hey, Flip, we haven't seen you all day. Where have you been, man? Hey, if you got time, do you want to do a treasure hunt with me here at? Okay, it's on. Sweet! I'm gonna go hide some treasure. Wait, here. Wait, what? Wait, we're about to just show you some islands. Okay, here's how to play. I buried some treasure. If you find it within the time limit, you win. It's buried somewhere outside. No kidding. We're in the middle of nowhere of outside, man. So there's no need. Dang it, no, could you make me skip that? Excuse me, fool. Hi, Weber Nice. It's nice to see you. Hi. Hi, Audrey. Big fish. You didn't see it? No. Okay. We're not very good at treasure hunting, are we?
No, we're terrible at it.
We are the worst at treasure hunting, but it's fine. At least we had fun running around, right? I guess. Hi, Hazel. Bye, Hazel. Get the place. Dang it, there's a present over there. Now, I got it. Audrey, get the present. Dang it. This is our treasure. Mine. Yeah, we're not gonna find it because we know good at treasure hunts. See? Told you we're no good. That's fine, we didn't want the treasure anyways. You made us run around for no reason. Doggone it, Flip Flop. Doggone it, it is your fault. No, never. Never. I should hit you on outside the head with this friggin' net, you little weirdo, but I won't. You stupid Flip. Ha! We got the treasure anyways. We win. Because it counts. Our treasure. You can't have it. Anyways, as Hazel said, wondering what's on the other islands. I think they're on the other beach, Sonic. Yeah, I think I saw them on the other beach too. But oh well, who cares? Sahara, you're weird. You're questionable. Anyways, this has been going on for too long, and now we gotta go through the favorite part of our little role play out here. Cause yes. Hey, you two, what are y'all doing today?
They seem to be digging for some stuff. Do y'all need assistance or something? Cause I know that we just got we got two presents. We're special.
Cat grass? What's cat grass? It's one of those I think those things you find in the swamps. Oh yeah. Oh, that's stupid. I'm keeping that I'm keeping it for now. Oh, you two, yeah, you two. What are y'all doing?
I'm making some tea again. And I'm trying to find something.
I think she took it again.
I didn't take anything.
What even are you looking for? I'm looking for a document. I can't seem to find it.
I'll tell you right now that I didn't take nothing.
Did you hide in the back room?
No.
And that tells it's cue to go. I got it, Flip. Good, you could freaking have it. We don't want it. Not in a million years. Tails is going back. Tails makes jokes. Tails wants coffee. You got done with making the coffee?
Yeah.
Is that the document that I was looking for earlier?
It is? I thought it was a book.
Dang it, you always find my documents, woman.
I'm pretty sure I do. Let's see here. Tom Nook's corporation is corrupted.
What?
And he decides to file everything on paper.
Well, I do have a copy and printer over right beside me. What's happening right now? Yeah, what's happening? Tails wants to know.
And he plans to take everybody's money that he has invited to this island.
For shame! You shut up, Tails. I'm fine, I'm living.
How could you?
How could I what?
What?
What are you doing, Tails? I'm being funny. What do you want from me? You gonna give me that document back?
Are you gonna give me my thing back?
What thing? What thing?
You know the thing you hid under your desk. 'Cause I saw you.
I have something under my desk.
It belongs to me. Also, I remember my brother's name. His name is Digby. I forgot to tell you that.
Oh, Digby, huh? Oh, I know that guy. He's a good friend of mine. Oh, yeah.
And what does he actually do for you?
He helps me out in some of the things that I need to acquire. Well, this is Tails. This is Knuckles.
It's Amy.
And this is Sonic. Hope you all enjoy. So yeah, bye-bye. Can I have my cup of tea now?
You had a cup of coffee earlier.
I want a cup of tea. Tea! 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 I'll be over here.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not dealing with that.
I'm not dealing with that.
Can I deal with that? Yeah, sure. Get out of here. Okay, fine.